Hey lads, TechScanning here. So recently Google has surprisingly shifted its Made by Google event to 13th of August instead of its traditional October launch. And that's most probably because Google has had enough of leaks regarding its most anticipated Pixel 9 series. However, now here comes another leak showcasing the standard Pixel 9 in a beautiful looking pink color. So as can be seen, it matches with the earlier leaked renders and hands-on. The upcoming Pixel 9 will have a new camera visor which no longer jots with the frame. And with the two cameras on the rear, we can easily guess it is the standard Google Pixel 9. Further, unlike the Google Pixel 8, the Pixel 9 has a flat frame. The video does show a glimpse of the display, but unfortunately it was not switched on. By the way, it is rumored to have a 6.24 inches display, which is almost the same as its predecessor. Moving forward, a recent report claimed that the entire Pixel 9 series will use Samsung's newest M14 OLED panel, which are both brighter and long-lasting compared to the current best panels used in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So, what do you think about the Google Pixel 9 design language? Share your thoughts below in the comment section. Anyway, Google is likely to start the teasing game soon, and we may even get some more spy shots. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.